Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0 and we have to solve it for x. So if you ever struggle with solving quadratic equation, this trick will make it easy. So we are going to solve it by quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we have to find the value of a, b, c. So actually what students make mistake, first we have to compare it with quadratic equation. So quadratic equation is in terms of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 and our equation is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. So what students take? A as 2, B as 5 and C as 3. But it's wrong. Our B is in real equation is positive, but in question it's negative. So we have to take the B as minus 5, not 5. Okay, now let's put the value. X is equals to, here in formula there is negative sign. So we have to take this negative sign and also we have to take the negative sign of B. Students missed it and reached at the wrong solution. So we have to write it minus 5. Plus minus under root. Similarly here minus 5 square, not 5 square. Minus 4 times 2 times 3 by 2 times 2. I hope this step clears how to put the values with the sign carefully. X is equals to minus is plus 5 plus minus. If you skip this minus 5, you'll reach at minus 5 here. It will not become minus as plus 5. So you have to put the sign very carefully. 5 plus minus under root minus 5 square is 25 minus 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 times 3 is 24 by 2 times 2 is 4. X is equals to 5 plus minus under root 25 minus 24 is 1 by 4 and under square root 1 is 1. So we can write 5 plus minus 1 by 4. So there are two cases. First with plus sign, addition sign, and second case with subtraction sign. I hope each and every step is clear. Till here, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 by 4. If we reduce the fraction, 3 by 2, which is equals to 1.5. So x1 is 1.5. Now second, x2, 5 minus 1 is 4 and 4 by 4 is 1. x2 is 1. Please share your biggest struggle with quadratics that you face and comment down below. And if you find it useful, like, share, comment and subscribe for more maths tricks. Thank you so much for watching this video.